Bienvenido una vez más a mi canal, soy Capturando Aventuras.
Continúa recto, a continuación gira a la izquierda, esa carretera 31. Gira a la derecha, regresa a la calle 32.
Hola, nuestro nuevo destino es el hermoso pueblo de San Carlos, más exactamente las cascadas de San Antonio. Esperamos que les guste el video y no olviden compartir, darle like y por supuesto suscribirse.
Y ese camioncito.
Guatapé es un municipio ubicado aproximadamente a 1 hora y media de Medellín, en el oriente antioqueño, el cual consiste de coloridas fachadas, lo que hace que cada rincón sea mágico. Aquí podemos encontrar el Peñol de Guatapé, que es un monolito. En palabras más breves, es un gran bloque de piedra, lo que hace que la vista de este municipio sea una experiencia súper chévere, convirtiéndolo en uno de los pueblos más hermosos de Colombia. El municipio de Guatapé fue transformado a través de su historia, ya que en los años 70 deciden construir un gigantesco embalse en su territorio, es decir, lo inundaron. Todo esto con el fin de hacer una hidroeléctrica. Fue así como el antiguo pueblo fue inundado y construido nuevamente en los alrededores, ubicando una nueva economía enfocada en el turismo, pues este hermoso embalse ofrece varios planes acuáticos que pueden disfrutar desde los más pequeños hasta los más grandes.
Cuando venga por Guatapé, hay que pasar comiendo esta ricura.
You're never gonna make it, you're not good enough. There's a million other people with the same stuff. You really think you're different? Man, you must be kidding. Think you're gonna hit it, but you just don't get it. It's impossible, it's not probable, you're irresponsible. Too many obstacles, you gotta stop it, yo. You gotta take it slow, you can't be a pro, don't waste your time no more. Who the fuck are you to tell me what to do? I don't give a damn if you say you disapprove. I'm gonna make my move, I'm gonna make it soon. And I'll do it cause it's what I wanna fucking do. Cause all these opinions and all these positions, they come in millions, they blocking your vision. But no, you can't listen, that shit is all fiction. Cause you hold the power as long as you're dreaming.
There's no way that you make it, and maybe you can fake it, but you're never gonna make it. Aren't you just gonna take that? Make them take it all back.
Esta hermosa vista. Y esta hermosa vista.
Fucking fight back.
You ain't never ever gonna break it. You can never beat them and they're better than you face it. Thinking that they give a damn, you're not thinking straight, kid. No, they don't give a damn, you got what I'm saying? I'm not fucking playing, I'll give it to you straight, man. There's too many others and you're not that great, man. Stop what you're saying, stop what you're making. Everybody here knows that you just faking. Nah, I don't wanna hear it anymore, I don't wanna hear it anymore. All these fucking thoughts, they are not what I need anymore. I'm about to shut the motherfucking door on all you poor ass haters with your heads in the clouds, talking out loud so proud. You better shut your goddamn mouth before I do more speak out. It's about to head south.
You're never gonna make it. There's no way that you make it, and maybe you can fake it, but you're never gonna make it. Aren't you just gonna take that? Make them take it all back. Don't tell me you believe that. Aren't you just gonna take that? Or will you fucking fight back? Or will you fucking fight back?
But it's too late now. I remember you and me. And how careless we
Yeah, all day and all night, we'd stay up, it felt so right. We were so young, we were so dumb. We would get drunk and then hook up. We were okay, we were alright, staying awake till the sunrise. We were in love, couldn't stop us, like a good drug, never enough. We hook up in my car, driving so far, playing guitar.
Por acá. Vamos a buscar cómo salir de acá. Acá vamos llegando.
San Carlos es un municipio rico en agua. Sus atractivos son en su mayoría cascadas y piscinas naturales a tan solo 10 minutos del pueblo, teniendo un alto flujo de visitantes, pues es un parche súper económico y súper fácil de llegar, donde podemos disfrutar de caminatas agradables, donde podemos gozar de un excelente clima, lugares cargados de historia y mucha naturaleza. Definitivamente este es un lugar para venir en plan de familia, amigos, pareja, perfecto para recargar energías.
We were fearless, we were reckless, time was precious. We loved to waste time, whiskey and wine, drinking all night, asleep by your side. Finally alive, we would just drive, never arrive. Our journey was life, staying out late, testing our fate, running away. We live for today, young and so bold, never get old. Screw what we're told, we can't be controlled. It's too late now, I remember everything, and how careless we could be, and how careless we could be, and how careless we could be.
Bueno, después de 3 horas de viaje llegamos a la cascada de San Antonio, en San Carlos. Aquí les muestro más o menos. Después de un largo viaje entre lluvia y sol. Bien.
And how careless we could be.
Fallen one too many times, feeling like another ends, back again, square one. Tried to leave myself behind, looking for a better place, not to stay alone. Did not trust and you chose to break it. I for truth but you only fake it. But you said what we had was sacred. It's all lies, all lies. I was broken and isolated, but inside had the fire waiting. Not a word that you say can save us. Wouldn't try, 'cause this time you crossed the line. Funny how the tables turn. Didn't think I'd go this far, but here we are, the end. Now you're just a lesson learned, a slowly fading memory, so I can breathe.